What up, YouTube, man? We back at it sliding. Got me and my dog Ace sliding. Hi, Ace. Yes, sir, man. We about to head to the shop and get some stuff done. Yes, sir, man. We are literally about to slide to the shop and get some stuff done. I'm so happy everything worked out yesterday, because y'all do not understand. There'd be so much going on, literally, from trying to get everything complete with one bike and then get that successfully off, and then to accept a new one, and then when it come with a little damage, because I'm telling y'all, it looked crazy, but realistically, it's nothing. Like, I literally have bikes way worse than that, and I already know today, if I find me some legs on hand, y'all gonna see, I'm gonna literally put the legs on the bike. It's gonna be rolling. That's not meaning I'm gonna ride. I'm trying to get it started and everything, but I still want to take it to the frame doctor to get the front end bar pulled out. Then from there, we'll be good to go. Everything in the rear is all good. It's literally only the front end of the bike, so we're good to go. Once we get the legs, we'll be in the game. I already ordered an inner outer fairing with the bags and all that good stuff, so everything is gonna be on the way. So stay tuned, man. Get in to win that joint with the truck, man. It's on sale right now today, only for $50, man. Get in to win it while you can. We got the red Kicks by Dre caps. You already know what to do. Go on BuiltByDre.BigCartel.com. That's gonna be your entry to win that joint. Like I said, man, we about to keep the motion going, man. We about to get that 2015 hopefully finished up today, and then we're gonna go ahead and get some more progress on the 2019 and then the Road King. So get in to win it, y'all. We sliding, not hiding, man. Like I said before, the faster y'all get in to win it, the faster one of y'all could be the winners, literally. We're gonna get everything moving and grooving, man. But stay tuned, we sliding, y'all. What up, YouTube, man? We just made it back to the shop. It's kind of dark in here. Just made it back to the shop, man. I just had a crazy day. I had a lot going on. I had to go back home and handle some stuff. I ended up getting a text message about the power got cut off, so I had to go make sure my stuff was good. So now we got everything set up. Your boy went and got a fresh cut. Me and my man's Ace. So we ready for the weekend. But anyway, about to get back to this bike, man. We got to get some stuff done and get everything on the road. So my original plan was to get this bike going today, but this curveball you got hit with kind of just threw me off, because now, for one, the powder coat shop is about to close within the next hour. So I had one piece to pick up for this and pieces to drop off for that. So I probably got to wait until Monday, because tomorrow, well, no, I can wait till Friday tomorrow. And then the guy who had the shocks flaked on me, so I'm trying to find somebody else right now. I got some shocks for me on hand I could get. But like I said, man, we're about to have this thing coming together, y'all. We are about to get to it, man. Everything is literally intact. There's nothing really too much wrong with this bike but the legs. So we on a hunt right now to try to get some of those. Really, the tubing, I have the actual leg cover, so we about to get there, man. Like I said, make sure y'all enter to win this joint. Y'all see what's going on, man. This thing look a little crazy, but I'm telling y'all, it's about to be just like that. So just know this thing is about to be here real soon, man. Y'all see what's going on. Man, we just went through some stuff. Look how dirty I am. My God. But you already know what's going on, man. It's the last time this bike is gonna be this dirty in the shop, man. We got everything laid out off the bike. a little bit everywhere, but it's definitely organized. I see that chunk of dirt on this, man. It's unbelievable. Yes, sir. It's why I like the powder coat, man. Get all that stuff cleaned up so it can be wet. Look at this, dude. It's looking like a Road King, but we got everything going, man. I can't get the exhaust off because the front is a little bit bent back. So the last bike I took to the frame doctor was the same scenario. He already knew what to do, so it's no problem. They just need the bike to be literally naked, stripped like this. So when they lay it on the table and flatten it out and get the bars, everything back in place, it's all perfect. So only thing I'm gonna do is get some legs so I can put the front wheel on, because it's literally gonna go right in there. I'm gonna just pop these out, loosen the bolts, get these joints up out of there. And that's why I say, like, when I tell, because I know some people don't know the behind the scenes of all of this going on. And that's why I say, like, when a bike come in super damaged like it was, I don't trip. Like, I cannot express this in no other way to y'all. I enjoy doing this. I love to get my hands dirty just for them to be fresh and clean when I put it back together, because it's going to be a complete transformation. I enjoy it, so I love the challenge. Like, I literally do. That's why I don't care about the comments, because I know the real. I know what these hands is capable of bringing to the table. Like, literally, when I got this bike, this thing was demolished, just how this was, but it's all good. You got Dre here, so we're going to take care of it and do what it do. So now we got everything completely stripped. We took the horn off, the air cleaner off, the crash bars, every bracket, everything is off of this joint. Everything on here is needed for it to stay intact. Now, I would go ahead and strip the bars, but I gotta wait because I do need that front brake when it comes time to slowing down, depending on how I load it up. But like I said, we got everything laid out. All this metal is going to the powder coat, but I still need to take it home and clean it and wash it so we can get all this dirt off of everything. So all this is gonna be powder coated, fresh and clean. And all this is going to be cleaned up and getting ready for the paint. So when I paint the inner and outer fairing and everything, this is all going to get buttoned up. Now, I need y'all honest, true opinion, because I don't care. I know I can do whatever. Now, some of y'all be complaining about me taking a frame off, because I know the last person when I did that, they was like, I don't know, Dre, if you should do that, because at the end of the day, some people who win it can't change it. They want to go a different color. So I need y'all to give me y'all honest, true opinion. Like I said, before I even throw this out there, I don't care to strip it like that because I enjoy it. Would y'all rather me leave the bike like this after I get it straightened out from the frame doctor, leave the frame back, keep the motor on, and just powder coat all the pieces around it? That way the bike is staying intact. Because honestly, I only got a little bit of time here, but I think I'm about to take all the paint pieces home to my people's house and then take it to Antonio today. Because that inner outer fairing is actually good. It's not demolished like I thought it was. All the trim tabs and everything is still there. And I love how the original OEM Harley stuff fit compared to the aftermarket. So I'm going to use that inner outer fairing. The right bag is good. The left bag is the only bag that I need. So we got everything here. The only thing we need is a gas tank, because that one is damaged. We need a gas tank, a left bag, and a front wraparound. So that's nothing. So now we got the main pieces that I need to take to the paint. I think I'm about to go ahead and take it to the paint in the next few minutes when I leave out of the shop, just so literally we can get everything on the road. And I know that's the main thing with y'all. Y'all be like, Dre, you get these messed up bikes, take a long time. Y'all not understanding. It's really on y'all to put y'all money in, so that way we can get everything flowing and going. But like I said, I'm about to go ahead and get the paint to Antonio today. I got the colors in mind. Like I told y'all, I'm going with silver, orange, and black. Those are 3 colors I'm doing. So besides that, I'm gonna powder coat the pieces and everything. I'll do the frame if y'all want me to. So I'll powder coat the frame and everything else, and we'll go from there. But even if I don't do the frame, I'm still powder coating the other pieces that goes onto the frame. So that's going to be that. We're going to have custom 21 and 18 on the bike. We're going to put the bars. We're going to have that fresh wet Antonio paint with the powder coated pieces. So stay tuned. This thing is going to definitely turn around. Like I said before, I'm trying to go in the motor. I just want to get all the paint and everything rolling and riding first. So when it comes time to get that motor work done, it's going to be fast and everything will be on track and ready to go. Like I said, get in to win this joint. We only got a few spots left, man. Make sure y'all tune in and get you a Kicks by Dre red cap. That one cap is going to be your entry to win. So go ahead and knock it out, man. But like I said, I'm about to get it in and keep working, making it happen, man. Appreciate all of y'all for tapping in, man. We sliding. We got this thing completely stripped now. Got it in the sunlight. Yes, sir. This thing is looking good, man. This thing is looking good. I am so hyped up. Y'all don't even know. I can't wait. I can't wait to get the pieces back from the powder coat. Throw them things on there. I can't wait to see the paint from Antonio. We got the whole truck loaded up. The shop back clean. It was too much dirt for me. You already know. I'll be trying to have it at least clean in this joint. So tomorrow we're going to get rid of all this excess trash, the stuff we don't need. We're going to go ahead and assemble this bike, get this on the road, and we're going to get my boy on the road. Now we got this thing ready to get to the frame doctor. We should be dropping this off, if not tomorrow, then Saturday. So stay tuned. We got everything going and flowing, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. But like I said, we ain't done yet. We're about to go ahead and go clean that stuff up and get to Antonio's shop. So stay tuned, man. We sliding.